Now, meanwhile, residents of Orlando West have called for stronger law enforcement and regular compliance operations. And they're saying undocumented immigration has heightened safety concerns in the community. They are arguing that increased enforcement is needed to address criminal activity and to ensure immigration laws are upheld.
Ama-challenges esinawo ukuthi khona manje siney'nkinga zamanzi nogesi. So umphakathi ufile ukuthi it's because we are overcrowded. That's why bafile ukuthi mabahambe so that thina sisalele ne-infrastructure yethu sibone ukuthi siphuma kanjani. So now yikho namhlanje ukhansela acele ama-stakeholder ukuthi aze azochazela abahlali ukuthi lento le operation ihamba kanjani. So but the main issue it's indaba yamanzi nogesi, because now if ungayicabanga kahle ugesi namanzi zenzelwe a certain capacity. So umphakathi ufile ukuthi no, it's not working out because khona abanye abantu bangaphandle yikho bathi bacela ukuthi bahambe.
Njengoba silavele kukhulunywa ngaboma stand, these people abazizeli, but so far life evilakazi sinababuya ngaphandle abahlala kuboma Hillbrow, Tarfontein, wherever okungasi abala but beza la ngokuzothengisa. And wena ngeke usuke la uye kwi-country yabo. Who are you wena ozoya kwi-country yabo ufike uzenzela? Into engidinayo yabo yilento ukuthi they don't want even to participate. Masithi today siyacleana as umthengisi wasevilakazi. Masithi siyacleana namhlanje streetini. They don't want to clean. Bona bazele ini? Imali. Lo muntu lo awumazi ukuthi ubuyaphi uyaphi. Lo muntu lo uzofuna ukutshela wena ukuthi una 10 years 15 years ela eSouth Africa. That have nothing to do with us.
Ingozi enkulu kabi because lo muntu lo omqashisele awazi ukuthi ubuyaphi ngisho. Azange uthatha ama details akhe. Uzokutshela ukuthi ubuya eZimbabwe or eZambia whatever. Uyofika nini lo muntu makakuthathele konke ejardini lakho. Uzoya kubani amaphoyisa azokunceda kanjani? You understand? So it's important ukuthi wazi ukuthi mawuqashisela umuntu indawo yokuhlala or mhlambe ulethe ibusiness kwakho azosebenzela ejardini lakho, you must have all these proper documents ukuthi ube safe now, on a safe side, because manje at the end of the day abahlali abaningi babheke le mali abazoyithola every month kulo muntu lo, ababheki safety yabo nabo kakhulu.